Let me tell you the reason why the Igbos are not suffering. I am a northerner, an indigenous of Borno State, and I am proud to be an indigenous of the state. Let me tell you the reasons why the Igbos are not suffering, despite inflation, despite economic uncertainty. Igbo carry about 24% of the population of the entire nation, both the Igbos that are living within and outside Nigeria. Igbos are the oldest tribe, are the oldest group in Nigeria. Igbo stand out despite the hardship that people are passing through in the nation. That is, in whole Nigeria. I am not saying Igbos are not suffering, but they are the less suffering group or tribe in the whole nation because of a unique characteristics. Igbo are the only tribe that no nation you will go in the whole world without finding Igbo. They are the only tribe. Any place you go in the whole world, in the entire world, you find Igbo. I made a research, and my research and my findings are valid. That Igbo can be found anywhere in the world. No any country in the whole world you will go without finding Igbo. Professor Patrick Kulo Lumumba once said, if you go to a particular place without finding Igbo, run. Igbo are the only tribe you can find in any profession in the whole world. To mention but a few, you find Igbo in management, you find Igbo in marketing, technology, communication, human resource, trades, healthcare, education, hospitality, consulting, pharmaceutical, aerospace, engineering, computer, information, agriculture, accounting, manufacturing, film industry, music industry, business development, sales, forestry, food space, any other profession you will find on earth, you must find an Igbo man. Igbo are the larger exporter of goods and services. Igbo stand out, and then Igbo are not found in government, yet they control the economy of the nation. These are facts. Kudos to the